Right, this is one use for Pythagoras theorem. So here's the end elevation of a building, and we have a piece of timber running up the middle of the house in the roof. We have, this is a joist going across the top of the wall, and we have a rafter. So we know the length of the rafter, we know the length of this piece of timber, and we want to know the length of the joist from there to there. Right, so to make it simple, what we're going to do is rub out the bits that we don't need. So we've got 11, 8, and we're looking for that one. I'm just going to make it smaller so you can see it. Alright, so that's 8. This is the one you're looking for. Call it X. And the rafter is 11. Alright, so this is the big square. Look it up. Right, so you'll need a calculator for some of it. 11 times 11 is 121, that's the big square. 8 eighths are 64. The area of that square is 64. And we have to find the area of this one. Now what did we say? If we add these two, you get the big one. But we're looking for a small one, so how do you get the small one?
Take it away.
Yeah, so 1, 2, 1 minus 64. 57. Okay, so the area of this one is 57. So what we need to do here is get the square root of, so the area of this is 57. To get the length of this side, we get the square root of 57. And the length of this side is 7.5498. And if you round it to 2 decimal places, 7.55. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Right, look at 1 or 2 question 4s here. Right, you might find this one difficult. It was an 8, question 4, page 177. Because the way it, I'll draw it first. Just look up. No, I don't want you to write it. Alright, so we're looking for C. There was an 8 and a 5. What do you notice about this triangle straight away?
That has a 90-degree angle.
Yeah, it's a 90-degree angle, but it's not sitting the way you normally look at it.
Yeah,
look it up. So what you can do is you can draw it like that on your page first. And then what you can do is with your piece, you can turn it around to suit yourself. Will you look? No. Turn it around to suit yourself. Like that. Alright, so C is the big one, isn't it?
Yeah.
So,
5.5.
right, again, Ethan,
Yeah.
look it up.
25.
So 8 eighths are
64.
64.
5
5 fives, 25. Add them together. 89. And now you get your calculator. You get the square root of 89 equals. That's 9.433. Rounded to 2 decimal places. 9.43. Okay. We'll have a look at another one. Look it up again, Oisin. Right, another one. So we have, for example, we have this is 6. This is D, and this is 8. Which side is going to give me the biggest square?
6.
8.
The biggest number?
8.
8. The longest side, the hypotenuse. So 8 by 8,
64.
64. That's the biggest field. 6 by 6,
36.
36.
Now you take
How am I going to get this, the size of this field? The area of this field? Take away.
64.
31.
100.
No, let's take them away.
31.
So that's 8.
30.
28. So that's the area of that field. To get the length of one side, the square root of 28 equals 5.2915.
So do you know when you're typing in calculator,
5.29.
how you want to
Yeah.
find the square root?
Square root, yeah.
What do you type in?
Alright, so you hit this button here. See that square root sign?
Oh yeah.
Square root.
Ah.
Okay, and then 28. And then equals. And then press SD.
Oh yeah. And what you take, first two or first three?
Well, first two, generally.
And would you round up? No.
You round. Well, for example, if you look at this, if you're rounding to 2 decimal places, look at the third one. The third one is 1. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, leave 9 alone. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Put it up one.
put it up. Okay? So it stays at 2, 9.